Hi guys, yes, join me. Let us make this egg sauce together. Yes, as you can see, we are boiling our yam already. After making this egg sauce, trust me, you will like it and you will be glad that you come across this video. You can use this egg sauce to eat yam, rice, eat also bread, spark, and so on and so forth. In case if this is your first time to see my channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And don't forget to give me a thumb, right? After watching this video, if you find it helpful, just like so that it will be just suggested to other people. You have seen we have sliced our tomatoes. Now we are slicing our onions. Yes, this is my garlic. I'm using mortar to pan this, all right? If you have mortar, do well to use mortar. There is health benefit of using mortar. After pounding my ginger and garlic, I add my crayfish and pound everything together. I crack my egg. Yes, let's check our yam if our yam is ready. You can also wait to check the description box. There is other video that you will find interesting and helpful there. Let me know what you think on comment section after watching this video. Once your yam is ready, do well to filter the water out and return back in the pot. Now we are going to heat up some oil. Put the quantity of your choice. Allow the oil to heat up for some minutes. Then you go in with your onions. As you go in with your onions, in less than a minute, do well to add your sliced tomatoes. Don't allow the onions to change color before adding tomatoes. As you can see, we are adding our fresh tomatoes now, sliced already. Now we go in with our seasoning cube. This is our ginger, garlic, fresh pepper and crayfish. Let me know on comment section if you're gonna try this. When you add everything, cook for some minutes. Then I add my Titus sardine. If you're gonna try this, let me know on comment section. As I said, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And also like this video to help this platform to suggest it to other people. I add my pinch of salt. Now I add my egg, and remember, before I add this egg, I mix the white egg and the yolk together. After adding my egg, I will cover this pot for less than 2 minutes to enable the egg to cook. Now the result I'm looking for is here now. I will do well to stir gently to avoid pieces the Titus fish I put or sardine. Please let me know what you think on comment section. Your comments count. I go in with my sliced onions and green bell pepper. If you want to know why I add these sliced onions, let me know on comment section. Trust me, this green bell pepper is very interesting. It will make your food taste great, and the health benefit is also awesome. The aroma is wonderful. Our food is ready. Do well to serve hot. Let me know what you think on comment section. Do you enjoy watching this video? Let me know. I'm interested to know what you think.